Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a nail reserve. So this company reached out to me pretty recently and wanted me to work with them. So I picked out some colors of polish from their site. I'm going to do a quick haul on the colors that I got. And we're also going to try out these polishes on my mom because as you guys know, I have Gel X. I've had Gel X for about a year and a bit now, and I absolutely love them. So I'm not going to paint my own nails, but I'm going to do my mom's nails. But yeah, I really like the colors that I picked out, and I'm going to go over them with you. As you guys may or may not know, I used to do my own nails all the time. I used to, just do either shellac at home with these types of gel polishes or just with plain nail polish. Now that I have less time because I work more hours at my job, I don't really have time to spend like 2 to 3 hours doing my nails on my own, so I go get them done because I'm lazy. But I still really like nail polishes, and I wanted to do a review for you guys that do your own nails. So I picked out 7 colors from their site, and this was actually pretty hard to do because they have some really amazing colors and I really didn't know what I wanted. So I went with more neutral shades. I will be swatching these for you guys as well because I want you guys to see the color, and I'm not gonna use all of them to paint my mom's nails. We're gonna do like just one color. But the first one that I got is called Temptation, and it's this really pretty pink color. Looks like that. And these are meant to be used with a nail lamp. So if you do end up purchasing these, make sure you have a nail lamp. If you do your own nails, good for you. I love that for you. I wish I could do that for my own self, but I just don't have the time. So this next one here is called Do Me a Favor, and it is a nude pinky color. It's like a nude beige, looks like that. And then I got the color Golden Crown. I think that this is my favorite. So it's just a nude color again, but it has like a bunch of glitter in there. It's like gold glitter, hence the name Golden Crown. It has gold glitter in there, really pretty. I think that you could do a really nice French manicure with that and just have like a little bit of sparkle. Next color is called Walk in the Woods. This is a deeper neutral color. Looks like this. It's very nice and warm tone, perfect for fall. Next color, this is definitely a summer color, and this is like one of the ones that really just stood out to me when I was on their site. It's called Say Extra, and it's just a Tiffany blue color. This is definitely my favorite type of shade for the summer months. Next one is called Sandman, and this is more of like a mauve-y grayish color. Looks like that. Still definitely neutral, but it is like a cool neutral. And then last but not least, I got Sea, Swing, and Sun, and I feel like this is also a cool toned neutral shade as well. Definitely a mauve-y brown color. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys and see how. Ooh, this pink is really pretty. So the first one, called Temptation, looks like this. See, that's it in the bottle. It looks definitely less bright in the bottle, but it's more bright on camera or like when swatched. So this is a really nice summer color. Okay, I'm gonna swatch Sandman next. Okay, so that one is Sandman right there. It is a beautiful mauve gray color. This is definitely the color that I would use more often whenever I would do my own nails. I would go for like the cool toned neutrals a lot or something bright. So Definitely very seasonal with my polishes. I follow the season. I do more like blues and stuff like that in the summer months. Okay, this next one is a bit sheer, but it would be nice as a topper or if you were to do more layers of it to build up the color. But this is Golden Crown right there. It is a nude color, so you know, you can expect it to be a little bit sheer, a little bit on the milky side. Okay, I'll do Me a Favor next. Ooh, okay, this one is really nice. This one is definitely pigmented. So this one is called Do Me a Favor. It's that one right there at the bottom. Definitely a really pigmented, beautiful, neutral shade. So it kind of leans more warm tone, more pinky. I think that's the one my mom is like really interested in. So the next one is called Walk in the Woods. This is the more like brownie shade. This is really nice and pigmented as well. It is a really pretty like chestnut, almost like chestnut brown, burnt sienna type color. It's the last one right there. Really pretty. Sorry, my memory card was full, but I swatched the last two colors right there. So the blue one right there is the Say Extra one, this turquoisey colored one, and then the last one right there is called Sea, Swing, and Sun, and that is the last kind of cool toned neutral color. That one is a little bit more on the sheer side. There's only two that I see that are sheer and that you need to maybe build up a bit. It's the last one right there, and then that Golden Crown color with the glitter right there. Those are the only two that are on the sheer side. Other than that, all of them swatched really nicely, and I cannot wait to test these out and see what my mom thinks of her nails. I'll give her like a little nail makeover. And if you guys are interested in checking out Nail Reserve, they are based in the US, so all of your products will ship out relatively quickly, and they are based in Los Angeles, so you should be getting them pretty fast. I didn't wait more than 2 weeks for these, so that was nice. And what else can I say? If you are interested in checking them out, I will leave them linked in the description box below. If I have a coupon code with them or anything like that, I'll leave it down there as well. So let's get into the nail makeover. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so that is all for my video. Thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for reaching out to me and working with me on this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and if you are interested in checking out Nail Reserve, I will leave everything linked in the description box below if you guys want to check them out. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!